Good morning everyone, today we're looking at, surprisingly not a pro diver watch, we're going to be looking at just a different release model today of the Invicta brand. So initially look at the box, we've got the Invicta embossed side as you can see here, with the Invicta embossed logo as well. Full yellow and black theme, very consistent on most of their watches. Nice sort of sun rays coming out from the corner as you can see here. It's a simple folding lid, again with the bright yellow theme consistent all the way around the inside. So here we go guys, this is the Invicta Object D Art 47mm. So 47mm case number with a 14mm case thickness, retails at £144, probably weighs around about 100-150 grams, and uses a Chinese automatic Z2031 movement made of nickel. So let's have a look at the face here. Now you might be thinking, right, this is an Invicta watch, so why has it got an Ingersoll face? Good question, and I don't know the answer. Got a very nice sort of sharp increments going around here. I quite like those because it really sort of adds, I feel like it adds emphasis to the actual centerpiece, to the dial. Roman numerals tucked in around the side of the actual watch, but the watch does sit quite big. You can see it looks massive. Full skeletal view of the movement going on in the back there, and overall the watch looks the watch looks very busy. It's got a dual time capability as well. Oh, sorry, not dual time capability. Is it dual time? Yeah, there is a dual time clock here on the left. So you've got two ways of tracking time. Now, I'm not sure how they've got away with this, but I'm pretty sure Ingersoll have done the exact same watch. But this is, if you compare them, they look exactly the same. I'm not, except for the increments going around the side. You'd be the Ingersoll. This bit in the middle would be enlarged to fill the entire watch. So I don't understand how they've got away with that, but it's not my area to question that. You've got flame infused crystal going over the top of the actual watch, 50-meter water resistance as well. Nothing inside the actual face of the watch, no markings or anything like that. Yeah, it's a really nice addition of this watch. I like the little extras around the side. It just makes that Ingersoll, I think it looks a little bit better than the Ingersoll, the what's it called? Ingersoll the Jazz. That's the watch it looks like. Basically it's Ingersoll the Jazz bit in the middle with the outside piece around the side. So coming out to the casing, you've got full stainless steel PVD rose gold plating on the actual side of the casing for the watch here. A very nice audible sound to the bit loud, very nice audible sound though to the wind up. And a decent movement to the actual hands. Forgot to mention you get a day and night tracker in the top 12 PM subdial. And then you reverse the direction of your movements and you change the time of the dual time as well. So coming down to the strap, you've got a 24mm crocodile leather, sort of a matte finish one rather than a glossy finish, with full black stitching going down the side there. Nice wide holes as well for the buckle to sit in. The buckle is rose gold plated Invicta as well. A full skeletal view of that back plate as well. See that there, might be able to see the jaws on the movement, I can't tell. No sort of quick release options on the strap unfortunately, but no matter. And you get two holders, one free roam and one that's fixed in place. So there we go guys, that is the Invicta Object D Art.